All right, YouTube. I'm here working on the dozer today, and with George, but he's in the pickup reading a book. So, one of my plans for today is installing the solenoid I put together for the. I get that to stay there. Starter for the Poney engine. This is not the original starter. This is one off, like, I think an Alice Chalmers. It doesn't have a thread here or a spot for a solenoid. This is meant for like a manual contact with your foot. So I need to drill and tap this, mount the solenoid, run cables to the battery that'll be over there by the seat, and the battery's right there in the little case. So I guess we'll get started on her. Here's the solenoid all installed. I got this bracket I welded, and it doesn't look that great, but since this starter is not the original starter, it's painted, but it's off something else. I drilled and tapped this and ran this is a 2 gauge, I believe, cable down to the solenoid. Got my wires to excite the solenoid here, and I ran for this on off to ground out the magneto, which hopefully never used, but comes down here. And then I got this battery cable right here, and that comes all the way out to the seat, which I'm going to start working on now. All right, solenoid's on, wires are ran all the way to the battery disconnect switch right there. I still need to build a bracket for that. And then if I crawl in over here inside the cab, I don't got any floorboards on it yet. Right there's the battery and battery cables, and I have a lid for it that will set right there. Keep your body away from the battery in case it leaks or does something weird. It shouldn't do anything because I don't have a way to charge it yet. But yeah, it's coming along. Well, it's the end of the day. George and I had quite a bit of fun driving it all up and down through here and just getting everything running. I do have an issue with the carburetor. I'm not sure if it's a carb issue or a fuel to the carb issue. I could pull it out and it has gas coming out, but it is intermittent. So, and the Poney didn't want to start that easy, but I do, so I gotta go do a little bit of work there. Went ahead and, just to recap, got the push button start going for the starter, solenoids installed. I went ahead off camera, made new spark plug wires off the magneto, put the floors in, and let me show you. Probably hard to see, it's getting dark. Went ahead and got the battery box in there, and I have a bungee cord over the top holding everything down. Not really needed, but I wanted the plastic battery tray so you don't have an exposed battery for if you have a wrench or something, chainsaw, something arcing out. I got the battery disconnect switch just hanging out here, but it will get a bracket this week, or at least whenever I get the opportunity. So that's it. Hope you guys enjoy it. Thanks for watching.